Yummy stew peas with pigtail, salt beef, and turkey neck. If you want to see how I create this dish, come along with me to the kitchen. Here are our starting ingredients, guys. Here I have my red peas. I'm going to put this to boil separately with garlic. On another step, we have our pigtail and our salt beef. I'm going to put these to boil separate to get rid of most of the salt. After which, and the salt consistency is good enough, then we add it to our peas. So let's prepare this one for boiling. They use the salt to cure these, so that's why we have to boil them separately, okay? Now we're going to just rinse these and put to boil. I think we have to boil it maybe 3 or 4 times, depend. So let's get to that, guys. Going to put these to boil. We just allow those to boil, and we'll change that water like 3 times and check the saltness, okay? Prepare our peas, guys. Just going to cut this so we can get it to wash. I'll use the entire pack because I'm going to add some turkey neck also, okay? This is it. I'm just going to wash it and add my garlic and put to start boiling. Pour enough water. Next step, put this aside. Work on our garlics, okay? Easy way, guys. Really hard style we're doing. Just smash it. When you smash it, everything come out. I'm not going to add any salt. I'm not going to add any salt, guys, because remember our salt beef and our pigtail contain salt, okay? Now I'm just going to put this so we can start the boiling process. Here we have our turkey neck, guys, and I'm just going to cut it up, wash it, and season it. So let's continue with that process. Okay, guys, all cut. Now we're going to remove these stuff, and I'll just use a scissors because that's easier. I just clip them away. Next step now, guys, is to use our vinegar. You can use vinegar and lime or vinegar, whichever one, but we have to wash it. just wash this and come back so we can season it. I'm going to season here. I have some garlic I already minced. I'm just going to add that in. I'm going to add some chicken seasoning. We're not going to add a lot because remember our meat contains salt, okay? I'm going to add some garlic powder. And I think this is good enough. I'm just going to season this. Clean hands. And we set this aside to marinate until when it's time to add to our peas. Okay guys, now we're going to make some Jamaican coleslaw to go with our pigtail. And here I have carrot, cabbage, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and I'm just going to shred these. I have a full video on this one, you can go check it out. But since I'm doing a cook with me, I have to do everything on camera. Okay, so let's get started guys. And we'll start with our bell peppers. And I'm just going to slice these thin. Okay. Time to shred our carrot guys, and I'm going to use this side. If you want, you can use this side too, but I'm going to use this one. Okay, and we shred. And as I said earlier on, I have a full video up doing this one, so you can go check it out. Okay, fast and simple guys, but the end result is delicious, trust me. This is how it's supposed to be, and we continue. Mix to combine this guys. Vinegar. We're going to use half of a lemon or a lime. Clean hands. To this also, I'm going to use some sugar. You can use white sugar, you can use brown sugar. I like putting the white sugar. We're going to use some oil, some vegetable oil, not a lot. And you just mix to combine. Set this aside in our fridge so it can do its magic. Okay, when this is well marinated guys, it tastes so delicious. Best to make it beforehand. If you wish, you could make it even overnight. Here you have it. Now I'm just going to cover it with cling wrap and put in my fridge. Now I'm going to change the first water, guys, and you see how cloudy it be. After we're finished, the water is supposed to be clear, okay? There's my peas bubbling away, guys, and my salt beef and pigtail ready. So I'm just going to add that inside. Stir it. I'm also going to add my season. I'm also going to add my seasoned turkey neck. And we stir this and allow it to cook, okay? Now I'm going to add my coconut milk. Stir and allow it to completely cook. Now I'm going to prepare my spinners. I'm going to add a small amount of flour. Salt, and this is how we want it, guys. Now I'm just going over to the stove so we can make our spinners. Now let's add our spinners. Just take small pieces and you rub to make a small log. Now I'm going to add my seasoning. Here I have bell pepper, thyme, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, pimento seed, and a small piece of butter. I'm just going to add that to my pot. And we stir and allow it to marry together. Simmer for another 5 minutes. Then we're ready to serve. Here I have 4 cups of water. I already had a piece of scallion. Now I'm going to add a tip of salt. I'm also going to add some butter, and we put that on the stove and wash our rice. Here I'm adding 2 sprigs of thyme too, and I'll add that on the stove. Here's my rice already washed. Now I'm going to put this to steam. Now I'll add my rice, my washed rice. And we stir. We cover and allow that to steam. And medium to low flame. We don't want the rice to burn, okay? Here I have a ripe plantain. I'm going to peel that so we can fry it. Now we can fry. We have our oil heating up already, so we're just going to fry till golden brown on each side. Here's my rice, guys. Nice and shelly. Now we're going to serve, okay? And here is my finished dish, guys. Looks so delicious. And I just put some tomato slice just for highlighting some colors. Yes, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, comment, turn your notification bell on, and please consider subscribing for more easy, delicious recipes. And guys, if it's the first time here, thank you so much for joining me. You could be anywhere else, but you decide to stop by here. Appreciate you. Please hit the red button and join the family, okay? And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now. Bye bye.